Hi guys, I'm Yemi and today I'm going to be reviewing the infamous Euphoria glitters from Lemonhead LA. I have picked up 4 of their glitters of 2 different types. I have a Space Paste and spacejam. Spacejam is these bigger packages that you will see on their website. These are their official glitters. This is what you put on your eyes, your hair, your skin. This is kind of the more heavy-duty stuff, the official glitters that you can actually like play around with for different eye color looks and so forth. And then Space Paste, I have these highlights. They're called the 𝚓𝚑𝚖𝚒 Glitter Highlight Collection. I got these 3 in the Space Paste package. I only got 1 of these because these are expensive. The 𝚓𝚑𝚖𝚒 collection costs $38. It'll include 3 different space pastes: Phantom, Houdini, and Adult Film. Then we have the spacejam Glitter Bomb, which costs $28. That's a little bit pricey for a single pack of glitter. I'll be rating these items from a score of 1 to 5, and the rating system is based on wearability, price point, how easy they are to manage, touch up and remove, as well as overall looks, opinions on density, how it feels on the skin, and so forth. So let's review these babies. Starting off with texture, all of these gels are pretty thick, with spacejam being the thickest. I got my spacejam in the shade Lady Mercury. It's very Sailor Moon-like, which is why I absolutely adore it. The 𝚓𝚑𝚖𝚒 on the other hand are glitter highlights, which means that they can appear and disappear in different kinds of lighting. Quick note, all of these glitters dry up super quickly, so if you have some changes you need to make, be sure to make those before the glitter dries up because they are pretty much smudge-proof after they dry. Houdini is my favorite highlight. It has this beautiful lavender color to it and it is absolutely gorgeous. Rue actually wears it in Euphoria. It's part of her winter formal look that she has in the very last episode of season 1. Also, these glitters do not crease your eyelids, so hooded eyelids people, you are in luck. If you want to remove some of the glitter you have on, you can use a brush to gently remove it. Now mind you, I don't have the right kind of brush, but you can purchase that unless you already have it. Let's swatch these babies on my skin. First up is the spacejam, Lady Mercury. It is absolutely gorgeous. It'll literally just slide on. You do not really need a lot of this product, you just kind of slap it on and it's there. Boom! Honestly, this is one of the best glitters I have ever tried. Also, you can apply this glitter almost anywhere on your body, so have fun experimenting. I sometimes put it in my hair. But as you can see, unless you have a wet tissue or you're actually cleansing, it's kind of hard to remove. This is what it looks like after trying to remove it with the tissue, and I decided to add some more just to show you what it looks like on my eyelids. And as I said, you can apply this almost anywhere. I like to put just a little bit on my bangs, just to give them a little bit of a shine. Now onto the Space Paste. Houdini. Like I said, Houdini is definitely my favorite. This is a really beautiful and really subtle look. If you want to wear glitter to work, but you don't want to look like you're going to a rave, this is a really good option. Phantom. Phantom is described to have an icy blue aqua color. Just like the other highlights, it feels like there's nothing on your skin. It just blends in. Unfortunately for me though, I really don't see the aqua as much as I see the gold. Adult Film. Adult Film is a Boogie Nights inspired rainbow glitter. I really love the fact that it has so many colors packed in it. One thing though that I've noticed with these glitters is that they're a little bit harder to spread than the spacejam. It might be because of some texture differences in the gels, and since these are highlights, you will have to add more product if you want a more visible look. Now let's see how it looks like in different lighting. Darkness is not an issue for these glitters. As long as there is a small source of light, they are going to glitter like the night sky. Oh my goodness, would you look at that? That is absolutely gorgeous. I feel like I'm Cinderella, honestly. I actually recently filmed a Euphoria-inspired Sailor Moon makeup tutorial. I ended up scrapping it though because I'm not a makeup artist and I don't really want to pretend that I'm amazing at makeup, so here's me just posing off with my Sailor Moon makeup. On to the price point. These glitters are definitely on the pricey side for me, but the good news is that they are filled to the brim. Unfortunately though, shipping is only free if you buy products that are worth over 40 bucks. With regards to removal, this is definitely the trickiest part for me because glitter can be so messy. I have tried so many things. The brush doesn't really work unless you have a really good brush. So what I do is I use this cleansing balm and my normal cleanser, and I just cleanse my face normally, and that takes care of most of it. The final results. I think I would give these a rating of 4 to a 4.5. They are super wearable and a little goes a long way with each product, which is amazing because you can just slap it on and go. As already shown in Euphoria, you can create some really good signature looks with these. Now the price point is one of the reasons why it doesn't get the full 5 stars for me. $38 for a collection, that I still kind of understand, but if you use glitters on a regular basis like I kind of do, this is not a lot for $38. I know most of you might be able to afford these items, but $38 does feel a little bit pricey for me for such a small tub. Then again, they are filled to the brim. I'd say it's worth the price for me just because of what I can do with these glitters and how subtle and versatile they are. As for this one, this is where the price point really hurts because this was $28. This tiny tub. This tiny tub. $28. I don't know how to feel about that. Like, it's a very good item. I'm not gonna lie, I love this glitter and I'll probably repurchase it in White Rabbit and maybe some other colors. But if you're planning to buy on any more than like 2, 3, or maybe 4 products, you're gonna be looking close to like $100. Managing, touch-ups, and removal. I think these are really easy to put on. They're pretty easy to manage. The removal can be a little bit iffy because you will need wet wipes or a wet tissue or maybe a brush that you scrape it off with. If you know that you'll need to touch up a lot, then this might be harder. Then again, these glitters do not budge. They do not budge after they're settled. Like, you will lose some glitter, but you see I am wiping really hardcore here and this is all that I lost. You can't even see it properly. Like, this will stick onto you pretty heavily if you don't use a wet tissue. So in terms of how long this is gonna stick onto you, these babies will stick to you after they've dried out. And it doesn't take that long to dry out, which is amazing because I know glitters that take forever. I have hooded eyes, so usually this kind of products wouldn't stay, they would just crease up here. Hooded eyes people rejoice, these do not crease. Once it sticks, it sticks. And it'll take me at least a couple tissues to get it off. Definitely try Lemonhead if you're interested in glitters and if you have the money to buy them. If you don't have the money, I'm sure there are cheaper options and alternatives. For people with hooded eyelids like me though, I'd say don't skip it because this works miracles, unlike literally any eyeshadow I have. Happy Euphoria watching. Thanks for watching guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!